dough. We are making this because I'm having pizza for dinner tonight. The ingredients you use are canola oil, baking powder, salt, lemon juice, regular milk or dairy-free milk, yeast, gluten-free or regular flour, and white sugar. First step is to warm up some milk. You need 1/4 cup of milk. Then you add 2 teaspoons of instant yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Now that our yeast has activated, we need to make the dough. First step is you need to get a large bowl and all your ingredients. First pour in your milk mixture. Now add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 of salt. Then add 3 cups and 1/3 cup of flour. Then add 2 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons of oil with 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice. Then you gotta mix it all up. Now that the bowl's clipped on, get your dough hook and pull it up. If you don't have a stand mixer, then you can do this by hand. Then turn it on. Now that our dough is stirred together, you have to check if it's dry or wet with a spatula. Ours seems too dry, so we need to add more milk. And then if yours doesn't have, now our dough is perfect. And it does not need any rising time. This recipe is so good, it can make lots and lots of things. That's why it's called Crazy Dough.